Welcome back to the Digital Asset Report. Bitcoin has shattered records once again, touching an all-time high above 125,000 for the first time. While the first all-time high break happened over the weekend, the momentum has carried into Monday, with other cryptos also seeing big moves and ETH reaching $4,700. The move pushes Bitcoin's total market cap to around 2.45 trillion, rivaling some of the largest companies in the S&P 500. Analysts say rising trade volumes and strong ETF inflows are fueling the surge, along with the growing use of Bitcoin as a hedge against debt, inflation, and global currency weakness, known as the debasement trade. And Wall Street is continuing to come around. Morgan Stanley has formally recommended allocating up to 4% of investment portfolios to crypto, especially Bitcoin. The bank calls it a scarce asset akin to digital gold, aligning its stance with BlackRock, Grayscale, and Fidelity. And according to Bloomberg's Eric Balchunas, BlackRock's IBIT is rapidly approaching $100 billion in assets under management, matching this sentiment shift from Wall Street as well. Gold is climbing too, with the US government still shut down and no new economic data coming out. Investors are turning to hard assets. Gold is nearing $4,000 per ounce, up 50% this year, while Bitcoin is being treated more like a safe haven than ever before. And this shift hasn't gone unnoticed by some of Wall Street's biggest names. Legendary macro investor Paul Tudor Jones weighed in on the trend this week, calling Bitcoin one of the standout assets of this cycle.
I'd want to have a combination of gold, crypto, probably the NASDAQ. I want to say that I've said that before, and I think that's still the right one. And I think whatever the fastest horse is at this point in time probably has a good chance of being that on deck 31.
Meanwhile, the government shutdown continues into its sixth day, with senators back in Washington trying to reach a funding deal, but both parties are blaming each other as every day Americans feel the impact. President Trump insists Republicans are winning the standoff, though even some allies warn it could backfire. In markets, the data blackout has made investors rely on signals outside of government reports, and one of the clearest signals is crypto. Digital asset investment products just logged record inflows of $5.95 billion globally, the largest week ever recorded. And CoinShares data shows Bitcoin led with $3.55 billion, followed by Ethereum at $1.48. And record-breaking inflows for Solana and XRP. Total assets under management in crypto investment products right now have reached $254 billion. Ethereum is seeing its own momentum. Tom Lee's Bitmine just boosted its ETH treasury to $13 billion after buying 179,000 Ether last week. The firm now holds 2.83 million ETH, making it the world's largest Ethereum treasury by far. Lee says the Ethereum community is focused on enabling Wall Street and AI to build the future on-chain, calling AI and crypto the two dominant supercycle themes. Grayscale is breaking new ground too. The firm has launched the first US-listed spot crypto ETPs to enable staking, including its Ethereum Trust ETFs and Solana Trust. This lets investors earn staking rewards through traditional brokerage accounts, marking a major milestone for institutional access to proof-of-stake networks. And institutional adoption continues to spread. Morgan Stanley, Grayscale, and BlackRock all now explicitly support portfolio crypto exposure, while Vanguard, the last holdout, is reportedly reconsidering its ban on crypto ETF trading. It's another sign that Wall Street's resistance is fading fast. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a like and follow along for more.